Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the Genshin Impact gameplay test review and the heating test on the Iqoo 9 SC device. Right now, as you can see, even this is Iqoo 9 SC which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration, and in the beginning the temperature is pretty low. It's only 30 degrees right now. As you can see friends, it's only 30 degrees, and my room temperature is also kind of close to 29.8 degrees Celsius. My room temperature, you can clearly see here. So it's exactly as same as the room temperature. Now let's open the Genshin Impact gameplay and start playing the game. Let's see how much high temperatures we can actually observe during this process of demonstration as well. So let's see friends, and now is the gameplay experience. Is there any kind of lag and delay? So all these aspects I'll try to check in this video. So I'll try to use during this process with the high graphics settings as possible. So we'll try to observe friends exactly using with high graphics can we able to play properly or not without any kind of lag. And right now you can clearly see the temperatures will gradually increase, and I'll try to play the game for about only maybe close to 10 minutes of time, so it won't take much time. And we do have the option of the game frame interpolation. That's also option is available, like frame rate boost and stable frame rate. As you can see, we do have the options. In case if you want, you can actually use them as well. So stable frame rate also you can actually maintain. That's really very good. So while playing the Genshin Impact, I wish they could have included some kind of stable frame rate even in the Battlegrounds mobile game as well, but they did not include in the Battlegrounds mobile game. There's only one option, which is the frame boost. But anyway, let's see friends how is the experience. And overall there is no real-time FPS meter in this Iqoo series. I mean in the FunTouch UI especially. If there is any kind of real-time FPS, that could be really great, but right now these are the lag. But let's see what the graphics I'm trying to use. Let's select the 60 FPS without compromise. Like, I don't want to compromise with this Snapdragon 888 processor, so let's try to choose with the everything by highest 60 FPS. Now let's start playing the game. Let's see. Now we'll get not bad. It was able to maintain pretty good overall regarding the stability and performance. So let's do some normal fight, and if possible, let's see will there be any kind of lag or not while doing some normal fight. Yeah, finally we got some testing samples here, so let's do the testing. As you can see, overall the gameplay not bad regarding the overall experience, and there's no haptic feedback. So there is no haptic feedback while gaming, so that's something you should know about this one. So I'm trying to use with the 60 FPS continuously friends. So till now I did not observe any kind of major frame drops. So right now you can see the temperatures 34 degrees Celsius. Let's use game frame interpolation. Let's see. Wow, it feels kind of smooth, guys. Yes, exactly, it feels a little bit kind of smooth. Yes, I did not expect, like, I'm not sure how can I explain this video, but it feels kind of smooth, like smooth animation, smooth transitions little bit before and right now. Yes, there is some changes that happen at this moment exactly. I think right now we're getting about 90 FPS. It has been boosted, I think. As you can see, frame rates from 60 it got boosted to 90. I think that's the reason why it's kind of feels a little bit kind of smooth as well. And let's select another option which is called the stable. Stable will give you the only 60 FPS. It will maintain 60 but not smooth. No, now I cannot feel that smooth animation. So as you can see, even little bit here and there shutter. So I do feel really very good using this frame rate boost option. Like, wow, that's very smooth. So playing at 90 FPS in the Genshin Impact gameplay right now. Wow, it feels pretty good, friends. Playing, not much complaints. Yes, exactly, Upset, which is really very good, even with the 90 FPS also. Right now, as you can see, how is the gameplay experience? Not bad. I'm really impressed while playing in this phone, in the iQOO 9 SE device. Wow. Feels pretty smooth, very smooth playing at the game frame interpolation, which makes completely new experience, friends. In the Battlefront mobile game, I was facing that kind of lag and delay, but in this Genshin Impact, I did not face any kind of lag or delay while gaming, like, which is kind of pretty smooth. And the temperatures did increase up to 39.2 degrees Celsius. I'll just try to play for about 10 minutes of time only, so I won't take much of your time. But overall, it was very nice playing in the game frame interpolation. I got stuck here or what? Yeah. Now let's do the one more fight and let's see how his experience gonna be there here. So nothing much major drawbacks. I mean, major frame rates. I did not see any kind of major frame rates drop exactly right now. So which is really fantastic. Another good advantage right now in the iQOO 9 SE. Temperatures after close to 8 minutes of time, it did increase up to 39.9 and 40 degrees as well, 40.4. You can see the temperatures. That's kind of increasing slightly. But using with the game frame interpolation, it's pretty good experience. So right now, as you can see, friends, we're getting close to exactly 9 minutes of time as well. .4 is the highest, 40.8 degrees Celsius. The temperature is increasing. That's kind of very common because even with the Snapdragon 870 and other smartphones also, they do increase the temperatures. So there's nothing wrong with the device, I would say, at this moment, but the gameplay was handling like very smooth. Like, after a very long time, I was able to play like this much of very smooth gameplay in this iQOO 9 SE. In my opinion, friends, definitely I can say that. So because of this game frame interpolation only, everything was like possible, I guess, in this device regarding the overall gameplay, which feels like very smooth. Right now we're getting close to exactly 10 minutes of time as well, playing continuously the game. Right now exactly 10 minutes of gameplay and temperatures did increase up to 40.6. You can see overall temperatures, how much it did increase. 10 minutes of gameplay, not bad. That's kind of pretty good, but the gameplay is not compromised. I mean, there's nothing much major problems with the gameplay overall in my experience. Like, it's very smooth. It's absolutely really good. I'm really happy with this game frame interpolation. It's working absolutely fine. In the Battlegrounds mobile game, only a little bit kind of touch issues I did face, but in this game I did not face any kind of much lag. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching the State of More updates. This is the complete review of this iQOO 9 SE device. In case if you have other questions, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off until then, State of More updates, and bye.